What my baby's doing? Ugh. Where the hell are the other ones? Almost done. What are you doing? You're picking out a toy? What are you gonna want for Christmas? We decided to do the Christmas tree gold and white, and we can't use none of these. So we're gonna have to buy some more because we just got a little. Channel for those that are new. Hi, my name is Janet Amabile, and thank you so much for clicking on to my video. So as you can tell, all my little fall decors and pumpkins and all the little orange leaves are gone, and yeah, it's time for me to pull out different decor. I don't have a lot of Christmas decor. I showed you guys what are some of the things that I'll be kind of inserting into the decor. So I got these two little reindeers, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and Clarice. They are from Build-A-Bears, and I got them at the thrift store, I want to say like 3 years ago. They were $2 each, so I couldn't really pass them up, especially since the seasons were coming around that time that I bought them. I went ahead and picked these up. Also from the thrift store, I recently went earlier this week. I believe it was Tuesday, and my mom got me this little gold tree, and you just put a little candle in there. So that's something Christmassy as well that I'm going to be inserting. And then these two little stockings are from last year from Dollar Tree. We do have a extra garland with lights, and I'm thinking about putting them here at this blank wall that is right there. Also, I put up my mom's centerpieces and her table runner, so they look so cute. She really had a fun time making those, but yeah, I thought I would add these and put the garland across the blank wall and kind of buy some more for everybody else. Since this year, at the middle of the year, we did move to this apartment, and our last apartment had a chimney. So since we don't have a chimney this year in this apartment, I thought we'd just put the garland right there and then get some adhesive hooks, get some adhesive hooks and put the garland, and then also hang some of these. So I'll have to go to Dollar Tree and get some more stuff. And for more Christmas stuff, since we are not hanging any like random ornaments, I'm gonna use these two ornaments that I got the kids last year, and I painted them last year. This one is Isaac's and this one is Junior, so I'm gonna be putting that in the bookshelves because I'm not gonna put them in the tree because this year we actually made a theme for the tree. And then I changed the letterings to Jolly. So I just need to go buy some more batteries so I can light it up. Why does it keep moving? Anyways, but yeah, I changed the letters to Jolly. I'll probably put another message later on. But so far, that's all the Christmas stuff that I'm gonna kind of like work in there. I might buy some more stuff, you know, throughout the week or so. Also added those little bows on top of this family hanging decor thing, but I'll probably show you guys how it looks like later on, maybe tomorrow, because it's already too dark. But the Christmas tree is shiny and just look really, really cute and nice. My little ones are watching Mickey Mouse, But yeah, I'll probably take out some picture portraits because there are some that just kind of don't go with the look of it. So I'll probably take down these because they are kind of like a beige. Oh, my little cutie patootie. I'll take these off and leave just the little silver ones like that. But yeah, I'm gonna see how I can arrange it, and I'll show you guys how it looks like tomorrow because it's already too late and I have dinner starting and I just want to get everything done. So I'm gonna finish cooking, then get the kids to take a bath, read them a bedtime story, or just hang out with them, and then put them to sleep later on, maybe like around 9. I'm still trying to get the kids back in schedule. Ever since time change, it's just been super hectic. But yeah, I'll probably just talk to you guys tomorrow in the morning after some of it looks somewhat decent. So until then, I'm gonna keep cooking and then eat and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably look better anyway, so I'll have time to get ready since I'm gonna be vlogging or whatever. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.